This is the story of Kuldhara, Rajasthan's ghost village. A mystery India still hasn't solved yet. And the creepiest part is that, even after 200 years, no one has dared to live there. And the locals believe that the village is cursed. Welcome to The Unknown, a channel that dives deep into the unsolved, unexplaining, and unsettling. Kuldhara was once a prosperous village, home for Pallival Brahmins, known for their trade, intelligence, and architecture. For over 600 years, they built a thriving life in the harsh desert. But in the year 1825, something unimaginable happened. One night, every single person, more than 1500, left their homes. Quietly, all at once, and none of them were ever seen again. There were no signs of violence, no letters, no farewell, just abandoned houses, half cooked meals, and a silence that still lingers. So, what forced an entire community to vanish overnight? Legend points to Salim Singh, the Diwan of Jaisalmer, a man who was feared as much as he was powerful. Born into a lineage of royal ministers, Salim Singh was known for his political cunning, ruthless tax policies, and unchecked ego. He ruled with fear and often acted above the king himself. But what sealed Kuldhara's fate was his obsession. He laid eyes on a young girl from the village, the daughter of the chief, and demanded she be married to him. It wasn't a proposal, it was a threat. Refusing to surrender to tyranny, Pallival Brahmins decided to make a bold and mysterious decision. They abandoned not just Kuldhara, 83 villages in a single night and vanished without a trace. Before leaving, they cast a chilling curse. No one would ever be able to live in Kuldhara. Strangely, no one ever has. Attempts to repopulate the village has massively failed, walls collapse, equipment malfunctions, and every evening the air seems to grow colder. Locals avoid the area after dark. Visitors report a feeling of being watched and hearing faint whispers. Some historians argue natural causes like water shortage, drought, or oppressive taxation may have led to the mass departure. But none of these theories explain the speed, the silence, or the persistent fear that surrounds this place. Even today, Kuldhara remains untouched, as though time itself refuses to move forward within its boundaries. So, what really happened that night? Was it a brave act of resistance against oppression? And the mystery doesn't end here. In the next episode, we journey into a village that disappeared underwater.